Imagine this: you are 23, jobless, staring at your cracked phone screen, and your bank account has left only 3,000 rupees. No job, no big city, no degree, and also you are struggling with your work. But one evening, while scrolling Instagram reel in your small room, you notice that there is some problem with struggling people. So you have got some small gaps and a tiny problem and tiny need. And in just 3 weeks, you had solved that solution and got 1 lakh plus rupees revenue in just one single day. You are having no code, no job, and no investor, just Canva in the curiosity. And today I will be telling you about Aman, how he did this, and you will be also doing like this. Now, meet Aman, self-taught designer from Jaipur. He wasn't a coder, not even a content creator. But what he did, what he had observation, having a Canva, and the execution. These three become him some different. And every day he noticed that small influencer, small business pages were struggling for making their Instagram story. And while he was looking on that, he wondered, what if I create a story template that anyone can use and edit? And so he did just that only. And people get so many engaged with their template, and they take their template how Aman built this product and deliver to the end user. One night, Aman opened Canva and started designing. He started with 30 style story template and pre-written caption font icons on the user and free users to edit and use. After that, he uploaded that Canva link on Gumroad. This platform is basically anyone can sell digital products on it with very free cost, and anyone can sell without any code. So he also wrote the headline of 50 Instagram templates, story templates in just only 199 rupees. This is very minimal charges, and it will be instantly downloaded. So after that, he built Google Drive folder where he added tutorial videos of this product and make with his phone and uploaded on so in social media. So people will engage on that also. After that, he also promoted his product on social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Reddit, or YouTube, or anywhere, or Instagram Reels. After that, the twist was that at the first day he got 3 sales, and the day second he got 11 sales. But after that, he uploaded this product on Reddit. He got 500 clicks on his product template. After that, he also got 200 sales, and just after that, his reels also went viral, and Canva India also shared his page on their post. After people get started resell for the creator groups, and on the ninth day, 1 lakh rupees of revenue get generated in just 24 hours. There was no ad agency, no Shopify store, and just Canva and YouTube idea. He deserved more. And after that, so many curiosity, he built with his own content with the real value it delivered, with the proper problem solved by the people, and now we will understand why it works. First one is he solved real problems. For example, I want my brand to look good, but don't have time. I don't have time. So second one is super affordable. Aman made this product very affordable, like 199 rupees, which is very minimal cost. And the third one is instantly delivered using Gumroad like platforms, which made very easier and comfortable for delivery. Also, the fourth one is emotional design. He made design as per people love and which engage them and where they will connect with that emotional design. Also, the fifth one is storytelling. This is very important. Storytelling plays very important role in making our content or product for people where they will understand the person behind the product. So now I will break down blueprint for you. If you are making your product or you want to launch your innovation idea or in the product, so you have to not just copy same as per the common did. You have to make your own formula. So I will give you 5 step-by-step formulas. Make sure to write down in your notes. So first one is identify the tiny problems or tiny pain. Think the small like think like a small as a caption, a planner thumbnail, and a real hook where the people will very demand for that. The second one is create micro solutions and use the Canva in motion. For example, Insta template and Insta story template, making the resume pack and the wedding wedding invitation cards or freelancing pitch deck, and that's it. And the third one is most important: package properly. using Google Drives or something. You have to make Gumroad or something. So you have to package your product properly. After that, you have to launch smartly. You have to use the social media where you can go to more people and they will see your product. They will engage on what they will think about your product. After that, make sure your price should be between only 99 rupees to 300 rupees, which is very minimal and very cost friendly and affordable. People will buy your product as soon as possible if they like it. So for what you are waiting? Start today only. Launch your first product with minimal cost. Now, if you are thinking like this, I don't have a idea, I don't have a code, I don't know how to code, I'm not having a team. Remember Aman, a boy from Jaipur who started from zero with product, 0 rupees product. Also, he made 1 lakh rupees per day, and he was just solving the small problems for people like you and me. And that's not about luck, that's about doing action and working harder and harder until you get succeed. Also, make sure to comment your small idea. You will be getting so many things where I told about Gumroad and tools where we are using. If you have got inspired by this video, make sure to like this video and share this video to friends who are struggling to have a income generation. So share this video more to more people. They can engage with this video and get so many information things from us. So like this video, to subscribe our Vijay 147 channel, and thanks for watching our video.